Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Claude AI with Notion. First, open your Claude desktop app on your computer. This works on both Windows and Mac. Make sure you are logged into your Claude account before continuing. Once the app is open, look for the Settings option. You can usually find it in the menu or by clicking your profile icon. Go ahead and open Settings. Inside Settings, find a section called Connectors. This is where you can link Claude with other tools like Notion. Click on Connectors to continue. Now you will see a list of available connectors. Click on Browse Connectors at the top right. Type Notion in the search bar and press Enter. Scroll through the list until you find Notion. When you see it, click on it to start the setup process. Next, you will be asked to authorize the connection. This means you need to log into your Notion account. Follow the steps shown on your screen. Enter your login details and continue. After logging in, you will be asked to select the Notion workspace you want to connect. Choose the workspace you use and confirm your selection. Once everything is set, confirm the connection. Claude is now linked with Notion and ready to help you work more efficiently. Thanks for watching.